Known for innovation, quality, value, service, and customer connectivity, CTS carries forth Ed Rice's passion for concrete and the construction industry. Ed Rice has shared more than just his innovative ways and passion for concrete and construction. In 2010, he gave us the gift of employee ownership. Today, with more than 200 employee owners, we're still a close-knit group who value each other and love what we do. Our mindset, work ethic, and integrity has led us to produce high-quality products and provide award-winning service to construction professionals and do-it-yourselfers. We know how demanding your job can be, how the results have a direct effect on your reputation. We keep that in mind with everything we do, from the Ed Rice Innovation Center, where we focus on research and product development, to our stringent quality assurance program, to training job site crews and supporting our retailers. Our ultimate goal is to help you get your desired outcome. Gratitude plays a key role in our vision for the future. We're grateful for our customers, employees, and the opportunity to provide the industry with innovative products and exceptional service, all of which will always be at the forefront in all that we do. As we continue to innovate and expand, we envision a world where our products and services contribute to building a more sustainable future for generations to come. With hard work and loyal customers, one repair and restoration product has grown into well over 70 building material products. As we look to the horizon, the future is bright and we are grateful. Our mission is to develop and deliver innovative quality construction products and solutions with value, service, and customer connectivity.